Hello everyone, myself Simran Madan. I am purchasing MBA from Datta Meghe Institute of Management Studies from Nagpur. My specialization for final year is HR and finance. I have completed my summer internship program from the Bhandara Urban Cooperative Bank. Uh, I will go through an introduction part of an urban cooperative bank. The Bhandara Urban Cooperative Bank was established on 21/1/1971. The main motive is to give the best service to the customer and also achieve profit. The bank increased its profit by giving loans and its share to the customer. Achieve and sustain quality by giving best service as per customer requirement and satisfaction. The by the people, for the people, to give best service to the people is the main motive of the Bhandara Cooperative Bank Limited. The vision and mission of the bank is the will to achieve profit and win. Urban Bank has the spirit of enterprise backed by unfleeting dedication. Every success is made up of 90% perception and 10% of aspiration. The vision of the Urban Cooperative Bank is to achieve holistic in terms of cost, quality, and customer satisfaction in systematic and planned manner. The mission of the Urban Cooperative Bank is to achieve the total integration in operation with total satisfaction of customer standard with the use of latest technology and to be perceived as the preferred choice of our customer. To build a team of motivated and dedication workforce with high work ethics, to increase profit of the bank and make it the best bank, to strive to merge as an ideal corporation citizen. I have learned during summer internship program that are the points that covers the arrangement in which the lender gives money or property to a borrowers and the borrower agrees to return the property or repay the money usually with interest at at some future point in time. While taking a loan, there is a predetermined time period for repaying a loan, and generally, the lender has to bear the risk. And I have also learned the different types of loan, that is open ended and close ended loan. Open ended loan means those that who can borrow over and over, for example credit card and home equality loans, etc. Whereas close ended loans is that loans that cannot be borrowed once they have been repaid, for example student loan and mortgage loan, etc. I have also learned that what is the difference between secure loan and unsecured loan. Secure loan is that loan that rely on an asset. That the asset may need to be appraised before you can borrow a secure loan, whereas unsecured loan are that loan that don't have asset for collateral. The unsecured loan rely on credit history and your income to qualify you for the loan. The responsibility that I have in the summer internship program, that is to adjust with the diverse workforce in one of the main motive. And I have gained a lot of knowledge that how the employees are working in the team. I have to report on time, and after the completion of the day, I have to give revenue to my senior that what I have learned in an entire day and what the work I have done. It also helped me in study, that is what ways bank give loan in different situation. I have studied the financial position of the company, and with that I have also studied the profitability of the urban cooperative bank, and I have studied the various loans of the bank. And the conclusion of this bank is that after analyzing of component of loan and trends in the last 4 years, we can conclude that this bank is managing its work capital efficiently. Bank give large amount of loans to customer which increases its interest, and by this profit of bank increases. The working capital turnover rate is increasing continuously last 3 years, and thus we can say that industry has improved its working capital management. I have analyzed the trend of investment turnover. Here I have seen that the turnover of the most of the investment and deposit increase day by day. So industry is a bank is turnover in each product. And also I have seen there that they are planning for a further, that they are from now they are providing ATM facilities and many things. Thank you. It's all about my summer internship presentation.